Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a hot oat bowl, and this is one of our favorite things to do around here, especially when the weather's cold, but really all the time. And every week we post a new video, plus a second video a week featuring the Herbalife nutrition products and what we're using and how we're using them and why we're using them. So be sure to subscribe and of course tap that bell so you never miss anything. And so we're gonna get this mixed up. Now, what I'm gonna use today is I'm gonna use just some regular old-fashioned oats. Today I'm gonna use 1/3 of a cup of this. And this is a great thing to add to your shake, especially if you have a really active lifestyle, if you have really physical work, or if you just have a really big appetite and a hard time controlling your appetite, or if you're a person who has a little more to lose and you just need more food to sustain yourself between meals. This is a great thing to add. It's pretty clean. It is gonna add some calories, but it's really good calories for you. I'm also gonna use our the vanilla protein drink mix. And I love this stuff because it's just packed with nutrients. So this is not just a protein powder. Yes, this is how we customize your protein for the day. Once we know what your protein number is, of course, there's always a link with this video where you can get your personal protein number, so you know what that is. This is how we customize our meal plan. One of the ways that we customize our meal plans, and it's just loaded. It's not just protein, it's just really loaded with nutrients to help feed and fuel your body. We're also going to use the Dulce de Leche Formula 1 today. This is also, you can really make this with any of the flavors of Formula 1. It is, I haven't tried one yet that wasn't good. But today we're going to use Dulce de Leche, and we're going to use a little bit of cinnamon. It's going to be a little bit like a sweet cinnamon kind of dish. And I love to put raisins in mine when I make it this way. I just don't happen to have any raisins on me today. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 1/3 of a cup of our oats. And 1/3 of a cup is good for me. I'm pretty active and I have a lot of muscle. Usually when I make this for our son or like for Maurice, I would probably use 1/2 of a cup of oats. So I just put that in the bowl, and then I'm just gonna put the powders in here also, again, for me. So I'm using 1.5 scoops of the protein drink mix. And then always 2 scoops of your healthy meal. So often we eat things that fill up our bellies, but our bodies are starving. And this Formula 1 really has all of the 21 essential vitamins and nutrients that you need to not only satisfy your hunger, but to actually feed and fuel your body so you function and feel awesome every day. So we're gonna put 2 scoops of the Formula 1 healthy meal in here. And 1/2 teaspoon of just regular, whatever cinnamon you have. And I happen to have a 1/2 teaspoon measuring in there already. So now it looks about like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stir this all together really well so that the powder and the oats are mixed in pretty well. And check out this bowl. These are such great bowls. These are actually one of the bowls that are available for our clients and our preferred members to use your rewards points with to get. And this comes in a set of 2. I love these. Now I've already brought my water to a boil. You want to make sure your water is all the way hot, so bring it to a boil. I use our water kettle at home for that. And now what I'm going to do is 3/4 of a cup. Basically, you want twice the amount of water as you have oats. So plus a little for the powder. So I'm using 3/4 of a cup of water. I just pour that right over the top and stir it up again. Oh my goodness, it already smells so good. Make sure you really mix all the lumps away, because sometimes the powder will get like a water barrier around it, and then you're gonna have lumpy, you're gonna have dry spots in your oats. Now, once you've got that all stirred up, you just cover it. And what I often do at home is I just put it in our regular like cereal style bowls and put a saucer over the top of it. Now we're gonna let this sit for 3 to 5 minutes so that it absorbs all of the water into the oats. They get softened up, everything mixes together, and now you have a fantastic hot oats that is your shake. This is a great thing for, you know, really active days. It's probably not the best thing to do every day if you're like my size and on a weight loss plan, just because it's a little bit more than what you really need. Keeping it as close to the just the basic shake. 2 scoops of Formula 1 or 2 scoops of your protein drink mix and some water is the perfect way to get the weight loss done fast. But this is a fantastic alternative, especially on those days when you really have a lot going on. So that's really all there is to it, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please tap that like button. That helps us out more than you know. And also, we read every comment, so let us know what you'd like to see here, what you'd like to see more of, what questions you have, and we can get videos made for that, what content you want. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.